For the last decade, the Arkansan Dream Center has served communities in need. Well, now it's getting some help of its own. Our Ashley King explains why the Dream Center is getting this month's Rainwater, Holt Sexton Difference Makers Award.
2020 is a year where everything looks different, but one thing that remains the same is the Arkansan Dream Center's mission.
Ultimately, we want every Arkansan chase a God-given dream here at the Dream Center.
Since the start of the coronavirus pandemic, the Dream Center has passed out more than 650,000 meals to hungry Arkansans in 40 communities.
It meant the world for us to be able to go out in times of need and provide a meal for a mom that's trying to provide for her kids and her family.
And right now, in a world where many kids are attending school virtually, the Dream Center is doing its part by helping children with homework.
We pop up with a tent and a table, and we're able to help a few kids, with distancing, but we try to help them with their homework. If it's working through virtual assignments or with physical packages, we want to be as a resource for the kids and the families in this time.
This dedication to the community isn't going unnoticed.
Arkansan Dream Center, Rainwater, Holt Sexton presents this $1,000 check and award for being a difference maker. Thank you.
We were super excited because we know our staff worked hard over the last few months, and it was super encouraging for somebody else to notice that.
The Dream Center says it can't wait to pump this money from Rainwater, Holt Sexton right back into the community. In Little Rock, I'm Ashley King.